Guys, it's me Christian. Today I'm just gonna be fixing up random dolls because I was bored. I did get some new dolls. Let me show. Here I got, these are the dolls I'm gonna be fixing. This Tiffany Taylor doll, Tuesday Taylor, whatever. Spring Fling Jade. This Licca-chan. I'm not really gonna be doing much with her. Just trying to get rid of the little white stuff on her face for some reason. Bling something Madison. I forgot her name. This little second gen Licca, I believe. This other little Licca-chan and Roller Girls Madison. Naked. I put their clothes in this pile, and one thing I thought was really interesting is that I didn't know that the Madison came with all these little bracelets. Really cool. So yeah, all these girls will be getting washed now. So right now I'm just letting these girls marinate in the soapy water, we could say. I need to take out this girl's braid because look at it, a really nasty rubber band. It's actually really interesting about these dolls because I got them at the swap meet a while ago. A lady was selling them for $5 each, the Licca-chan dolls. So I'm like, wow. And to be honest, it makes me wonder if it was one of those situations where a parent went to Japan on a business trip or something, then they brought back their children these dolls, and it makes me wonder, maybe that's how they got here, because it was a Mexican lady, I'm pretty sure, who had them, and I'm like, interesting. But yeah, for my dolls, what I like to do is a used toothbrush, really. Obviously it's not been used really like that, but then I just scrub it against their legs like this and stuff like that to get really clean, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, pretty much that. Also, this is really random. Look at the old Licca compared to the newer ones. Oh wait, look at this waist. Oh my god, she was snatched. Wow, look at that. And I realized that she's a lot shorter, the older Liccas, than the newer ones, actually. It's really interesting, I didn't know that. It's my first time ever having a 60s one, I believe. A second gen, pretty much, something like that. I forgot. But yeah, I don't know, I feel like she might get rebooted. Oh, she might get rebooted one day because, I don't know, her hair is just kind of and I don't want to really bother. But for now, I'll try styling it, make it a baddie makeover. But yeah, recently I've been kind of sad. I don't know. I feel like I stated it before in my last vlog video thing, but I don't know. I don't want to get all in detail because y'all aren't my therapist and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't know. So for the Smart Girls doll, there was a little bit of white. I think it's old gel or something. Oh, my hands are pruny now, but yeah. All I did was just wipe it off a little bit with some water, and it came off pretty much mostly. There's still some right there, so you get rid of that. So unfortunately, she does have a bald spot right here, but it's whatever. You can't really see it that much, so that's okay. Hey guys, so it's now the next day, and all the dolls are washed now, so let me just show them. So here's Madison. Her hair is pretty nice and soft now. It did kind of accidentally get a little creased up because the way I had her positioned, so I had her positioned to dry, then I flat ironed her, but then I kind of left it in a weird thing. So yeah, it's kind of a bit of waves-ish, which I don't like that much, but oh well. I'll fix it up later. And yeah, she's pretty much all, I still need to cut off this part. But yeah, she's alright now. So here's my Smart Girls. I did end up getting rid of the white stuff around. Well, there's still a little bit there, but I'll get rid of it later. But yeah, she's doing, she didn't really need that much work, to be honest, because she was already good the way she was. Yeah. But she's really cute. Yeah, here's Licca. I just realized she has a little green nose, which sucks. It happens with a lot of dolls I have, but yeah. Hair's kind of wavy-ish. I was gonna flat iron it, but I didn't realize, no, I don't want to. I actually kind of like it all puffy and kind of wavy, stuff that's really cute. I do want to put a rubber band around her head right here so they can stay more flat, but yeah, she's really cute. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep her like this for now so that her hair stays down, so yeah. And here's my other little Licca-chan doll. So I just put her hair in this little behind thingy, I don't know, pulled it back a little. Yeah, I don't know, I still wanted to get her rerouted, to be honest, because I don't really like this hair. It feels kind of crappy, to be honest, but it's alright. Here's another little Licca doll. I didn't show her in the beginning because I'd already kind of washed her before in a previous, because I didn't record anything before. But yeah, I did end up flat ironing her hair last night. It looks really nice and smooth. Although there is some cut pieces, if you can, yeah, see right there. Very unfortunate, but I mean, she's still very pretty. You know, I like her. She reminds me of my friend Julie. Yeah, here's this other little Licca. I didn't do much with her, to be honest. I might give her away. I'm not really sure, to be honest, but yeah, I don't know. She's cute. I put her in a Daiso fashion pack. She's fun. Nothing too special in my opinion, but I mean, she's still cute. Here's Miss Tiffany Taylor. She's kind of bald right here, but I mean, it's okay. Yeah, I just put her hair around this little thing because I wanted to like slay down a little more. She has big feet, so I really don't know what shoes to put on her, but I mean, yeah, she's still pretty cool. She's really pretty. And here's Roller Girl's Madison. I ended up switching her outfit into this Cali girl Teresa clothes. I thought that was like way cuter, you know what I'm saying? Because she's really pretty. Her hair was flat ironed, but the thing is that, like the same thing with Madison, the other Madison. I left her in a place where her hair got creased, yeah. So yeah, I need to go over it again. But yeah, here are all the girls. They're really nice. That's really it for this video. So thank you for watching. Bye.